Hello, I'm Angela Gill from the Major Hospital Foundation, and welcome to episode 4 of The Major Build. We are filming this episode on Friday, April 17th, 2015. Since our last report, we've had many rain delays, but workers have made up for lost time by working on Saturdays. Now we have over 50 construction workers on site, so we will start seeing a lot of progress as we head into the warmer weather months. The Major Healthcare Center is scheduled to be finished in August of 2016, and thankfully we are on schedule. Since our last report, the sanitary and stormwater pipes were installed and the forming and pouring of the basement walls was ongoing. Now they are nearly complete. Also, much of the work was being concentrated in the lower level with the installation of underground plumbing and electrical conduits. This stair tower, the one that's the closest to me, it has been built since the last episode of the Major Build. It's brand new. Then this area right here, this is pretty new also. We call this area the pad, and it is adjacent to the lower level. The north end of the building, starting with the emergency department, is what will sit upon this pad. You can see the two cranes behind me. The one that's a little closer is a 60-ton crane, and the bigger one to the back is a 110-ton crane. The 60-ton crane, the one in the front, is being used for the concrete work, and the 110-ton crane toward the back is the one that will erect the steel for the new Major Healthcare Center. The 110-ton crane behind me is 180 feet tall and it weighs 200,000 pounds. It will be used to erect the 1,500 tons, that's 3 million pounds of steel columns and beams that will form the skeleton of the new healthcare center. It's in the lower level right now and it will remain there until about mid-June when the steel is done being erected. They'll take it out and then that final basement wall will be filled in. All of the steel was manufactured in Indiana. It was melted and rolled at Steel Dynamics of Fort Wayne at the production center in Columbia City, Indiana. All of the steel was fabricated to our specifications, and when I say fabricated, I mean it was cut and drilled for the bolts exactly piece by piece for what we need for this facility. This took place at Indiana Bridge in Muncie, Indiana, and the steel is being erected by Indy Steel Erectors from Canby, Indiana. Our choice to use these three Hoosier companies demonstrates our commitment to purchase as many services and supplies as we can, as close to home as we reasonably can. The concrete supplier contract was awarded to Shelby Materials of Shelbyville, Indiana. So far, they have poured over 3,500 cubic yards of concrete to make the building's footers, walls, and pads. The concrete foundations that all of this steel will sit upon average 2 feet thick and range from 36 to 64 square feet each. The state-of-the-art healthcare facility is necessary for Shelby County to remain a vibrant community. The new Major Healthcare Center will meet this need and position Shelby County as a great place to work, live, and play. All of us at MHP are committed to your better health and the prosperity of our community. We hope you share our enthusiasm and support for this exciting Shelby County opportunity. If you would like to partner with us in this worthwhile project, please call me at the Major Hospital Foundation, 317-421-0361. Thanks, and until next time, take comfort in knowing that the promise of your healthy future is being built today at the new Major Healthcare Center.